So hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video, we'll be exploring the B2B Ecommerce Mobile App that will change the way of your B2B business. So I hope you are all fine in this pandemic situation, and the world has already started the new normal life. So I hope everything will be okay soon. So introducing myself, I am Soumitra Chakravarti. I am the team leader B2B Connect at InSync TechFin Solutions Limited. I am also a WooCommerce evangelist. So in case you want to get in touch with me, you can contact at LinkedIn. Now let's start with the B2B e-commerce basics, the B2B e-commerce 101. So what is B2B e-commerce and what are the things that falls under B2B e-commerce? So B2B e-commerce, short for business to business electronic commerce, is the sale of goods or services between businesses via an online sales portal. So through an electronic medium, two companies or two businesses, if they perform electronic transactions, that is called a B2B e-commerce. In a B2B business, there are many aspects like contact person who places order on behalf of the company, the buyer. So a company can have many contact persons and all the contact person can place orders on the portal, on the B2B e-commerce portal on behalf of the buyer. Then we have sales reps who place order on behalf of the company, the seller, for the company who is the buyer. So suppose a company has some issues in logging to the portal or placing order, or the company doesn't have any time to place the order. So the seller, some people from the seller places order on behalf of the buyer. So those are called sales reps. So in today's mobile app, we'll be logging in with a sales rep account only. Next, we have the pricing. So pricing structure is a bit different in B2B compared to the B2C. Example, we have different kind of discounts given to the B2B companies compared to the B2C users. We have the different payment modes like credit limits, pay on accounts, etc. So in a B2B business, it generally doesn't happen like you pay through online credit card or bank transfer, anything. So people buy on behalf of credit and they pay later when at the end of a certain period of time. So we have different payment modes. Do you really need a mobile app in B2B? So you may be thinking that, okay, we have already a B2B portal that is a web-based portal, and do you really need a mobile app? So around 86% of the people spend time in mobile apps nowadays. So this is a data which has been gathered from the Forbes. So 86% of the people spend time watching different movies, online shopping, etc. So people spend more times in mobile apps rather than looking for websites. B2B e-commerce in your pocket. Once you have a mobile app for your commerce, B2B e-commerce portal, the entire B2B commerce will be in your pocket. You can access it anytime. Ease of sending important notifications. Like in a web portal, you can't send notification to your users. But through a mobile app, you can send important notifications like your order has been credited, or you have some low credit balance, your stock has been received, or the product is now available. So you can send many important notifications through mobile app. Next, we have mobile app offers better personalization than websites. So you can personalize your mobile app to cater to different needs. Like you can set your own notification system. You can design the home screen, the dashboard, you can personalize each and every aspect of any app. So using mobile app, you will have higher customer engagement. Once people interact more with apps, more customers will come and use your application rather than in a website. A native mobile app is always faster than mobile websites. So what is called a native mobile app? Native mobile app are those apps which is built for your phone. For example, we have three different type of mobile apps: native, web-based, and one mobile websites. So mobile websites are normal websites, that is a responsive website. Web-based app are really a bit slower than native app, and native app gives you the total experience of your Android or iOS platform. So using that mobile app, you can get the complete experience of your phone, of your native phone or the operating system. So using a mobile app, your buyers can quickly place orders without a laptop or a PC. Just open the app and place the order. Now, the important aspect why you should be using or converting your web store to a mobile app is that your competitors are already using mobile apps and you should be ahead of them. So now let's move on to B2B Connect. So what is a B2B Connect? So before talking of the mobile app, let's discuss what is B2B Connect. B2B Connect is an integrated B2B e-commerce solution that converts your e-commerce platform into a full-fledged B2B e-commerce store that can connect to any business application in the world. So you have an e-commerce store, which is a B2C e-commerce store where people go and buy. So you want to convert that to a B2B portal. You can use B2B Connect to convert that website into an entire set of B2B portal. And not only that, it can talk to any application in the world. It can send data, it can receive data to any application in the world. So at present, we have two different types of B2B Connect solutions, one for B2B Connect from Magento and B2B Connect for WooCommerce. Now, what does B2B Connect offer to you or your customers? So B2B Connect offers multi-user company account. So you can create companies within your e-commerce store, complex pricing like different type of discounts, bulk discounts, tier pricing, quick order form so that your customer doesn't have to spend time searching for products and ordering one by one. So you can use a quick order form to order. Credit limits, use of credit limits in payment. Request for quote or RFC means your customers can submit quotations for your products. Customer specific catalog, you can hide or show different type of products to different customers. Purchase approvals, your customer order will be approved by another layer of their company accounts. So order approval is very important in terms of B2B so that wrong order doesn't get placed in. Customer group allocation, you can group your customers in different groups and provide them discounts. Like we have silver, gold groups for customers and sales reps, as we have talked before. Now, B2B mobile app can connect to any e-commerce platform in the world and offer a native e-commerce experience to you through mobile app. So it connects to, you can connect to Magento, you can connect to WooCommerce, Shopify, BigCommerce, etc. So you just the app interface remains the same. The connection is the app is connected through an API, and you will get the same experience in all the e-commerce. So unless you're using a different kinds of custom e-commerce, so we can connect to the custom e-commerce also. But any e-commerce in the world can be connected and be shown in the mobile app. So we have the B2B Ecommerce Mobile App that is available now on the Google Play platform and the Apple Store. So I'll share the link after this webinar so that you can download and check it. Now let's have a demo of the application. So in Google Play, if you can search for a B2B Connect, you will get this app. So it is already, I'm showing for Android. Since I have the Android, I'm using the Android phone, so I'm giving a demo in the Android system. So you can search for a B2B Connect, and here I have already installed the application. So I'll just open it. Now here in the first screen, you'll be prompted to connect to your e-commerce store. So here you need to provide the secret key. So I'll show you how you can create the secret key in Magento. But here, let me show by connecting to the application. I am specifying my secret key. Then this secret key determines which application, which e-commerce you are using, and it creates the connection between the application, the e-commerce portal, and your mobile app. So now I'll log in. So this logo is also coming from the e-commerce application. So I'll show you how you can configure all these things, the button colors, etc. from the back end of your store. So now let me log in. So I will log in with a sales rep account. So here I'm logging in with a sales rep account. So once you're logging into the sales rep account, you will get a list of all the companies which the sales rep is associated with. So as I told before, a sales rep can place order on behalf of the company and for the company. So here the sales rep is associated with two companies, the ABC Corp Limited and Delta. So the sales rep chooses which company he wishes to place order for. So I'll go for Delta. So once he selects the company, The next step is selecting the contact person. So contact person is the person who places order on behalf of the buyer, but sales rep now is a buyer. So the sales rep acts as a contact person for the company. So I'll just select the contact person. Now you can see the page fetches all the products from your e-commerce store. Now it is connected to Magento, so you can see all the products here. You can directly add to cart by selecting the quantity, etc. So at the top you can see different categories, so you can click on any categories and go to that category and you'll see the products. You can also specify, you can also search here with the SKU, etc. So what are the other options that is available on this mobile phone? So at the home page you can see we have my orders. Here you will get the list of all the orders you have placed from this app. Then we have an option of the cart at the top. And again, if you select the My Company option, you can switch the companies, switch to different company and place order for another company as well. So since this is a sales rep account, you will get access to all the companies which the sales rep is associated in Magento. Now let me place an order. I'll show you the steps. OK, so you can click on any product and view the details before buying. You can select the quantities and click on add to cart. Now once the product is added to cart, you can see the cart is already has shown the signal, and you can click on the cart. And here this is the cart. You can increase or decrease the quantity and update cart. You can add a coupon code here if you have, or you can click on place order. Now here you need to select a shipping address. So by default, you can have shipping addresses set in Magento, or you can add some addresses here. So I'll choose a default address, any address I can choose. The same for the billing address. So you can either choose the billing address or you can add a billing address. Now the shipping method. So the shipping method is directly coming from Magento. You can set up the different flat rate or percentage rates for different weights and sizes. Sorry for the notifications, I think. So you can set the weights and sizes, and here all the shipping methods will be displayed. The next screen, you have to choose the payment method. So here now it is already configured for check and money order, and for the check and money order, there may be other options like credit limit or bank transfer, etc. You can choose that and click on place order. So here you have already placed an order through the app, and this order is available now under my orders. So again, you can place order for any other person. Now here we have two logins. So one, I have logged in through a sales rep, and you can also log in through a contact person directly, and there you won't get to select the companies. Just you need to select, directly enter the interface and place order. So now let me show you how you can configure this with your e-commerce store, or rather I will show you in Magento. So let me stop the screen for now. So I'll show you. Let me minimize this. I'll show you how. So here, let me log into the Magento store. So here I'm already logged in the back end of the Magento store. Now, since I am using the B2B eConnect module for Magento, I get a special option here called B2B Connect. Just click on this option. You'll get under mobile configuration, you will get the settings. Just click on that. So here you can see it already tells me to generate the registration key after you submit the mandatory field. Like the registration key is this key which I entered in the application is generated after you fill in the organization name, the contact name, the email ID for the company who is using the mobile app. So once you fill all these things and click on the save mobile thing, this key will be automatically generated, and you can use this to connect between this application and e-commerce store. Now under the design setting, you can have the other option of uploading the logo for your e-commerce and changing various options like the text color, the background color, the button text color, the icon color, default colors, etc. So you can select all your colors and that will be applicable for your mobile app. So you can customize the mobile app as your own company and you can use your own logo, etc. So here also it gives a panel to customize your mobile app. So after creating the registration key, you can connect to your mobile app through this, and all your orders, etc., and sales reps and contact person all will be picked up directly from your store. So today I'm using Magento. It can be Shopify, it can be WooCommerce, anything. So you have your e-commerce in your pocket. So let's return to the presentation again. As I've told that, you can set all the configuration option from the Magento backend. Like you can do the configuration details. So once you fill up all the fields here, you can, once you save this, this registration key is generated, and this key helps you to log in from helps you to connect your mobile app with the e-commerce site. We have the design settings from which you can upload your logo and select different colors, which helps you to configure your application as per your company design, etc. So this can be done using the B2BeCONNECT module for Magento. So this is already available. So I'm showing this for Magento. You can use this for WooCommerce or Shopify or anything, and you can get the native experience of a mobile app. Next, let me show you. Next, I will coming to this. So I was talking about what are the coming up features for this mobile app. So what features are coming up? So we have we'll have the quote management in the mobile app. So using the quote management, you can let your customers apply for quotations and for negotiations from the app itself. You can get a better user experience and interface. We're coming up with more user experience and interface, more suitable design for your native application. We'll have more B2B configuration options of your application, like you can configure the admin settings, create contact person, set credit limits, etc. from the mobile application itself. So these all are coming up in the mobile app. So our plan is to give a complete B2B experience for your mobile application for any e-commerce platform and convert the B2B e-commerce portal into a pocket-friendly application for your customers. So thank you for the short demo for the B2B Commerce mobile application. So in case you have a questions, there's a question panel besides the chat window. You can ask your question. I'll be happy to answer those. So I have a question. The amount in my wallet, is that my credit limit? Yes. So the wallet is already shown in the app, and it's your credit limit. It's directly coming from the Magento. So if you have the credit balance or credit limit, you can place order for that credit limit and it will be deducted from the credit limit. So next question is, would you all have to use the same application with our own secret token? Secret token generates, you can regenerate the secret token for each application, but once you're connected to any company or your organization, you have to use the secret token every time. So either it can be your contact person or your sales rep. So secret token doesn't matter for you because you have your own credential. You have your own for the contact person and sales rep, so it won't be any issue for you. So you can just use your one-time token to it's a one-time token, and then you can log in with your respective username and password. So any more questions? Okay, so you all have a few questions coming up. I think it's better to answer through emails. So some of the complex questions regarding APIs are also coming up. So it is better to answer those through email through a detailed manner. So hope you enjoyed the webinar and hope you enjoyed the live demonstration of the application. In case you like to contact or you like to get in touch with us, we'll obviously share this PPT with you. So in case you like to contact for B2B Connect or go for a showcase or more demo, you can request a demo at insync.co.in/contact B2B commerce URL, or you can directly email to sales@appsiconnect.com. So you can also download the application and have the experience. And you can obviously ask for the credential. We'll provide you everything so that you can have a demo run for your application and you can give us your suggestions. So thank you very much. Thank you for attending the webinar. We wish to see you soon as our customers. Thank you.